progress. Just give everybody a little update here on kind of where we're at with the job. Try and do this. Getting these logs out of the way here real quick. Putting them over here because we could just throw them in the pile of the stuff that's going to be hauled off with the knuckle boom. So this bigger material and all the material that I grubbed out over here, tree contractor is getting all that out. So sorry. So pretty much what we gotta do, ooh, it's hot. So pretty much that's the last of the material. We are gonna grind out that little spot right there. But I'll kind of show you back here. So there's all these catch basins and drain boxes, and oh, it's a mess. Absolute mess back here. This is not a friendly Friday job, that's for sure, Micah. Sorry, buddy. Yeah, we are. So this is done. This is as good as we're gonna get it. Who's that? People up there honking. So we had debris all the way up there. The tree guys, my understanding was they were gonna get some of that because they thought they could reach it with their knuckle boom truck. But as you can see, we ended up doing it. But there is trash on trash in here. It's some nasty stuff. Bunch of homeless people. I mean, all kinds of nasty stuff. I'm not touching it. We're not messing with that. We'll pick up a little bit of trash here on that side. But yeah, that's not for us. So, and we just can't get the machines back in here to get this stuff any better. So I mean, it's 100 times better than it was, but so Willie is going to grind this down. Man, Dustin, he's gonna grind this up right here and then hit that little spot, and that's it over here. Oh my God. Right there. So yeah, I think we're done with the mini over here. I'm done with the big excavator. I can get that out. I got to cut up those logs a little bit for the tree guy. And yeah, I think we are getting close to wrapping up. You guys will see Willie mulching out that pile right there on that camera. So let's get over the other side of this track and then get this stuff transferred down. We can start wrapping it up.
all the material from back there. This is the last of it, thank goodness. And I think we're pretty much done back there. So I'm gonna get this ground up. I'm gonna hit that little stand of trees right there, finish this off, and probably do a little more weeding and hopefully get out of here. Right there. So, knock it for double blue over here.
one in over here. It's like 6 to 8 foot sections. And cut the stump off. That other one down there needs to be cut too. All right, guys, we got it wrapped up. Willie just left with the machine. The skid steer, he already took the excavator back. But that is it. She is done. I got it slicked off. All of our trash down there for the knuckle boom. Walked it with the customer. He loved it. Said everything looked great. They're gonna hire somebody to get back in here. That was a snake. We're good. He's gonna hire somebody to come back in here and pick up this trash. I told him, I said, that's too much for us. We picked up this area through here, kind of up here to the edge of the building. But we cut brush. We don't pick up trash for a living. We'll do it every now and then, but I did not have any of that figured into the price. The amount of trash over here, that was here. So he is very, very happy. So this is it. Willie got this all cleaned up. This whole corner, wrap it around to here. Come on, that guy. Oh my. All this over here, all the way to the end. So pretty much from here all the way to there, we had to do by hand, any hand cutting, and we had to pull all that material, transfer it all the way down to here, and then we ground it up here. That was a pain, but we got it. It is Friday. What time is it? Oh, 2:45, better than I thought. So it is Friday. Guys are going home. I'm going home. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And stay tuned for more mulching. More work, whatever like this. Anyways, you know, have a good one, y'all.